actually this video here is
Responsibility
AI
and
generated as well. So generating videos like this can be done from our software as well. So what you see here, when I click on edit, I here see the script that this lady is reading. So it says, welcome to the team, working in a professional kitchen, blah, blah, blah. And here you can choose from different avatars, and we're adding new avatars all the time. You can choose the character that matches your audience the best. So when I would change it, it will regenerate the video with a new avatar and a new script. So this is really powerful. So what I simply could do is create a new video, generate video, enter the script, and click generate. So let's try this. Oh, I already did. So let me get this text. Generate video. I'll let Caroline talk to us. So this is gonna do its job while we wait. And there's one more thing that I really would like to show you, is that, of course, when you work in an international companies such as Fresh Fruits, we have many different locations all over the world, many different employees with different backgrounds. So what also is very important, that the content is being translated to the language that the employee speaks. So what you can now do is to simply go into the course and click duplicate, and one can translate the content from English into, for instance, Chinese. So here you go. So now what you see is the same course that we had before, but now in Chinese. And actually the video is still now being prepared in English, but it will later on, it will also be translated into Chinese as well, because it's based on the script that we provided. So yeah, that's a quick look of what you can do with our platform and using AI. These features will be available really soon.